So here we are, ready and able to catch Chapter 5 of Kieran's Card. And Samantha is here to enjoy the entertainment too.
I can barely contain myself.
Over to you, Kieran.
Good morning. Today I am going to tell you about my Dinoco helicopter. This is what it has inside. Okay. Here we have Meta.
Oh, yes.
How do you like Meta, Samantha?
It's pretty nice.
And Lightning McQueen.
Mm,
How do you like McQueen?
He's my favourite.
Luigi and Guido.
Oh, and Luigi and Guido, they go together, do they?
Because they work in the same school. How do you like Luigi and Guido?
I think I like Luigi better.
Okay.
Do you know which one is Luigi?
Of course, John.
This is the king.
Ah.
How do you like the king, Samantha?
Not so much.
This is Dinoco Lightning McQueen.
Oh.
Choose a question offered on Dinoco she kicks, okay? How do
Oh.
you like Dinoco McQueen?
I prefer him red.
Tell me, why are these things called Dinoco?
Dinoco is the name of the blue.
Oh, the name of the blue
This is
colour. I
Dinoco
see.
Chick Hit.
Oh, very lovely, yes.
How do you like Dinoco Chick Hit?
Dinoco what? Sorry?
Dinoco Chick Hit.
Give me stickers.
Oh.
How do you like... Okay, this is Chick Hit.
Oh, Chickix. And what a lovely green colour that we know and love so well. Yeah.
That's better, yeah. I prefer that one.
Yeah, but it still has the same amount of stickers.
Yeah, but they're not so obvious.
This is Fillmore.
Oh, Fillmore. Yes.
Front wheels came off.
The front wheels off. Oh,
He's not meant to
it's
be
been in
like
an accident. Has he been in an
No,
accident?
it's not meant to be like that in that part. It's just they got stuck and I couldn't get them out. How do you like Fillmore? Just imagine the wheels.
Are you not taking care of your toys, Kieran?
I don't know. Anyway, how do you like?
He looks a bit sleepy.
I know. I know. And last but not least, this is Doc Hudson Fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Well, that's fantastic,
I
Kieran.
like Doc Hudson Fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Very good, yeah.
Is that the end of your story?
No.
Oh.
Oh, there's more.
Okay, we're going to go on. You can open the other side, but the other side didn't come with any cars. Shall I just read it again?
No. I think Samantha can live without having heard that.
Go get the gin.
Oh, accidente.
Don't forget about that noise,
Oh,
ladies and gentlemen.
just because.
You can choose cars to go in the other side. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you very much, Kieran. That was Chapter 5 of the story, and
Not
we're
Chapter 5 is a new enterprise, Poppy.
this is Chapter 1 of the new enterprise of Kieran's Cars. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.
I need a clear